Hey guys, Mike Chassis Parts Online again. Just want to make a little short video showing you what this mount is. This is the strut mount for the factory struts that goes on our narrow cross member. Okay, and as you can see, it's narrower this way than our other upper arm mounts. Our other arm mounts are wider. They have those two center holes just like this does, inside there. They got a hole on the outside too, and this is where the arms, where these arms would be on that one. This is the back. That basically tabs together like that with the arm on there. This is the one for coilovers or bags, because this sits on top of the frame. It's bolted down in 4 places to hold the upper arm. Okay, because that's all it needs is holding the arm. This mount has the weight of the front end of the vehicle on it. So instead of coming out here, we going down this way on the front. And these holes here line up with the holes that go through the frame box into the main cross member, and they're bolted through the frame. So there's all your structure right there, up through here. Okay, that's what holds the front end of that vehicle up. And it's got holes already in it. It's got double holes on the inside, see? Because on the 65 to 79, there's a hole here, basically. The center line is there. You got holes here on one side, and the other two like this are on the other side. So we got those 4 holes here. So this will work on either side. I've made them before with the offset holes, and then send the customer 2 of the left side or 2 of the right side. Then I look dumb because I'm having to send another one and then a return label. Anyways, these use the same cam bolts that we use on our other stuff, because there's the cam washer that it sets in. Cam bolt sits on the outside. It's got a washer here that it rides on. Your factory arm can go here, or our arms can go there. Comes with the hardware and everything. Fits the factory struts. So yeah, anyway, just wanted you guys to see what that is. This one here has got the dual holes for the 48 to 64 and the 65 to 79. And that's probably the mount we'll go forward with, because it'll fit both sides. I don't have to stock 2 different mounts. But this particular one is going to a customer that's putting it on a stub end, and it's going inside of an old Econoline van. In fact, he's been waiting on these a while, but this is the newest version of these. I've try to make them look a lot better than they looked before. I mean, you're not going to make a strut mount, look really good, but at least it looks better than the original version we had, by a little bit anyway. So, more videos to come. Peace.